Are you frustrated with the news feed that appears when you hover your mouse over the widgets icon? Don't worry. In this video, you will see how to disable the news feed from the Windows 11 taskbar. There is an instruction to remove just the news feed, remove everything but keep the weather, or completely disable all the widgets. So watch the whole video. Remove only news feed from taskbar. When you hover your mouse on the widget icon in the taskbar, the whole widget panel appears with lots and lots of news. Some people find it helpful to stay aware of recent happenings, but some people find it overwhelming. If you are that person, let's disable the news feed from the widget. Hover your mouse on the widget icon on the taskbar, then click on the settings icon. If you want to tailor the news feed according to your taste, you can try this option instead of completely disabling the news feed. From here, you can add particular channels to show news items on your feed. If you are frustrated with the newsfeed notifications, you can click here, then disable both Show Notification Badges on the taskbar and Show Announcements on the taskbar. If you are only frustrated with the widgets board opening each time when you accidentally hover the mouse on the taskbar, you can use this toggle button to disable it. Now, the widget board will not open when you hover the mouse on its icon in the taskbar. You will have to click on it. If you want to disable the newsfeed only, click on the Show or Hide Feeds menu, then use the toggle switch to disable the feed. Confirm your action, and then you can see the news items have disappeared from the widget board. Your other widget still appears on the board. Remove everything, but keep weather only. All right. I understand you are a minimalist. You only want information that you actually need. Let's remove everything and keep the weather only. By now, you have disabled the news feed. If you have directly come to this chapter, you will have to visit the previous one, disable the news feed, and then continue. Now, after disabling the news feed, your widget board has several other widgets. To disable them all, you will have to click on this three-dot menu on every widget and then choose Hide this widget. Do this to all the widgets you want to disable. Once you do that, you will have a widget board with only weather information. Completely remove the widgets board. If you don't like the whole idea of the widgets board, you can completely remove the widgets board. There is no need to separately disable the news feed and remove the widgets. You can just disable the widget icon from the taskbar. To do that, right-click on the taskbar. Choose Taskbar Settings. Under the first option titled Taskbar Items, you will see the widgets. Simply use the toggle button to disable it. That's it. It will no longer disturb you. You will have your clean and minimalist taskbar. That's it for this video. If the video has helped you, like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.